What's up there, big guy? I know you. Yeah, you like to make your own beef jerky, go to the bathroom with the door open, and go on riverboat gambling trips, huh? You like to use all the cylinders under the hood of that big truck? Well, but the problem is, the man comes in and says that you have to use something called an active fuel management system. Here's the problem with that, okay? A, it could actually wreck the economy on your truck. B, you're not getting the full power of all the cylinders you paid for. And 3C, it's gonna screw up the valve filters. It could wear and tear. So I know what you're saying to me. Kyle, how am I ever gonna unlock all the power of my cylinders? Well, first of all, stop crying. It's unbecoming, and here it is. Bacha! The Range Technology AFM Disabler. The solution couldn't be any sweeter if it was made out of pure yoo-hoo. Here's what this is gonna do. It's gonna improve the power under your hood, whether you're towing, whether you're going down the interstate listening to some Hank 3. That's right, I said 3. He's underrated. Or you're just going about your day, big boy. It's gonna also reduce that wear and tear on those valve lifters, and it's a super easy install. You don't gotta have your buddy come over and hold the flashlight like I did for my dad growing up, and if my hand shaked, he would scream at me. Super simple, man. Here's how it's gonna go down. First of all, we're just gonna open this bad boy up so I can give you a look-ski under the hood of this box. Look at that. That's it, man. It's that simple. I'm not talking about any tools that you need to install this bad boy. I'm not talking about any instructions in 47 different languages that you can't understand. All you do is take it out of the box ski and you plug it in. That's it. And it does not reprogram the ECU, so no trace at the dealership either. You go to get tuned up and they're like, hey, wait a minute, your warranty's violated because the man says you can't use all your cylinders. This right here, nice and legal, and nobody else has got to know. Also, it comes in 3 colors, man, blue, red, or green, so when you plug it up, you can see that nice little glow. So, I know what you're saying. Kyle, hold on a second. Are you telling me this is going to unlock all of the power of my truck? It's going to look sweet, I can install it easily, and it's at a good price? Where can I get this? Stop screaming, your wife is scared. MidwestAftermarket.com is the website to go to. Pick up the phone and give us a call if you have any questions, and this can be shipped directly to your front door. That way the man can get his crusty little hands off the power of your truck. I am Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket. We'll see you next time.